Billiones John Kirby, B. Screen Block 2A. Emilio Aguinaldo. Achievement and Leadership Strategy. Number 1, unang Pangulo ng Pilipinas. Number 2, digmaan Pilipino-Amerikano. Number 3, pagbuo ng unang konstitusyon. Number 4, pagtakda ng republika. Number 5, pagpapalawig ng nasyonalismo. Leadership Strategy. Si Emilio Aguinaldo ay gumamit ng estratehiyang nakatuon sa pagkakaisa, diplomasya at guerrilla warfare upang pamunuan ng Rebolusyong Pilipino. Pinangunahan niya ang patatag ng organisadong kilusan laban sa mga pananakop, sinulong ang kasarinlan ng Pilipinas, at ginamit ang negosasyon tulad ng kasunduan ng Sabiak ng Bato upang makapagtipon ng lakas. Bilang leader, inorganisa niya ang unang Republika ng Pilipinas at inangkop ang kanyang mga hakbang batay sa sitwasyon upang mapanatili ang layunin ng kalayaan sa bansa. Emilio Aguinaldo childhood. Emilio Aguinaldo was born on March 22, 1869 in Kawit, Cavite, Philippines. He was the seventh of 8 children of wealthy land-owning family. As a child, Emilio was sent to study at the Colegio de San Juan de Rizal in Manila, where he showed an early interest in politics. Emilio Aguinaldo early political career. After completing his study, Emilio joined the revolutionary movement against Spanish colonial rule, participating in propaganda movement, which aimed to educate Filipinos about their rights and encourage them to fight for independence. In 1896, the Filipino Revolution broke out and Emilio Aguinaldo became a key leader in the fight for independence. He led his forces to severe victories against the Spanish army, eventually forcing their surrender. Emilio Aguinaldo presidency. In 1898, the Spanish-American War broke out and the Philippines became a colony of the United States. Emilio Aguinaldo continued the fight for independence, leading the Philippine-American War. In 1899, he declared the Philippines an independent nation and was elected as its first president. During his presidency, Emilio faced many challenges, including the ongoing conflict with the United States and internal division with the Philippine government. Despite this challenge, he worked to establish a stable government and improve the lives of Filipinos. Emilio Aguinaldo legacy. Emilio Aguinaldo legacy continues to be celebrated in the Philippines today. He is remembered as a hero and a symbol of the country's struggle for independence. His effort to establish a stable and democratic government helped lay the foundation for the Philippines as a modern nation.